Let's take a look at how to wrap a real image to the tabletop in Blender. Beginner-friendly exercise, and as you'll see, Blender makes the process surprisingly easy. So, let's go step by step and build it together. To demonstrate the process, we begin by selecting the tabletop as our example object. On the right-hand side of the interface, you will notice a panel labeled Material. Within this panel, there is an option titled Apply to Material. Under this section, you will find the base color parameter, indicated by a small dot. This is where you can assign a color to the object, typically starting with a white base before applying any variations. If you wish to apply a different color, you can adjust it directly within this base color setting. To apply an image as a texture, click on the smaller. A menu will appear with several options. From this list, select Image Texture. You can then browse and choose an image file from your system. Once the image is selected, it will be applied to the surface of the object. When you render the scene, you will see that the chosen image is properly mapped and wrapped around the tabletop. As you can see, Blender is a powerful yet easy to use tool, even for simple projects like this. Let's continue learning and exploring more in the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials.